Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who appreciates an outstanding display, the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ is one of those monitors that truly elevates your experience. Right out of the box, this monitor makes a statement with its sleek black design and solid build quality, carrying the trusted ASUS TUF gaming brand that's known for durability and performance. The VG27AQ features a 27-inch WQHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. That means you're getting sharp images with incredible detail. Whether you're gaming or doing creative work, the extra resolution over standard 1080p displays gives you a noticeably sharper picture. The IPS panel ensures excellent color reproduction and wide viewing angles up to 178 degrees, which means the visuals stay consistent even when viewed from the side. For gamers, this monitor is a dream. The refresh rate is an impressive 165 Hz, which can be overclocked from 144 Hz. This high refresh rate, combined with 1 millisecond response time thanks to ASUS's extreme low motion blur sync (ELMB sync) technology, delivers ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur. If you play fast-paced games like first-person shooters or racing games, you'll notice a real advantage in responsiveness and fluidity. The VG27AQ also supports GSY&C compatibility, which synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU to eliminate screen tearing and reduce stuttering. For gamers using NVIDIA graphics cards, this is a huge advantage. AMD users also benefit thanks to FreeSync support, so no matter what your setup is, this monitor adapts beautifully. One feature that stands out is Shadow Boost. This technology brightens darker areas without overexposing bright ones, so you can clearly see enemies hiding in shadows or spot fine details in dark scenes without losing overall picture quality. From a usability perspective, the VG27AQ is incredibly flexible. It comes with a fully adjustable stand that allows you to tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height for maximum comfort. Whether you're sitting for long gaming sessions or working at your desk, you can position the monitor perfectly. It also supports VESA mounting, which gives you even more customization if you want to set it up on a monitor arm or wall. Connectivity is robust too, with DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI ports, plus built-in speakers. You have multiple ways to connect your PC, console, or laptop. This makes it a versatile option whether you're gaming, streaming, or just working. Another thing gamers and creators will appreciate is ASUS's eye care technology. TV Rhineland certified flicker-free and low blue light features ensure reduced eye strain over long hours of use, which is essential for marathon gaming sessions or extended workdays. In performance tests, the VG27AQ delivers. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and motion handling is smooth. The HDR support further enhances visuals, making games and videos look crisp and realistic. Whether you're gaming competitively or watching a movie, the experience feels immersive. Overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ is an outstanding monitor that balances performance, durability, and value. It's built for gamers who want speed and smoothness without sacrificing image quality, and for professionals who need a reliable, high-resolution screen. With its ergonomic design, advanced gaming features, and exceptional display quality, this monitor is a worthy addition to any setup. If you want a monitor that performs well across gaming, creative work, and everyday use, the VG27AQ stands out as one of the best options available right now.